Hello friend, my name is Ranveer Kumar. Today I am discuss about chemistry. The chemistry chapters some topics like the concept of cell, subcell, and orbitals. You will study in the study all the topics in the books, in CRT books and other textbooks. You will study, and now we discussing source from you, you know cell. Cell is a cell cell in the in periodic tables. There are many type of cells. We can know K, L, M, N, O, and so on. And today we discuss say discussed about that how many electrons present in cell. Shortcut method that will equation. Cell easy to remember. Is also known as cell is also known as orbit. What is orbit? Orbit. The electrons around the path path electron around the path on electron around the nucleus at the fixed path is known as orbit. We know today we discuss how many electrons present in the each cell. And today we discuss that is cells have the numbers is 1 is equal to 2 is equal to 3 and 4 is denoted n, 5 and n, so on. And number of electron present in the cells या orbit is equal to 2n square. Just we puts the value of the n when equal to 1, then 2 equal to 1 square 2 equal to 2 is the orbit present in k kn equal to 1 and electron is 2. Just we say nucleus around k, how many electron present around first and second L equal to n is 2 and that is easy to find. Formulas is same. Number of electron present in cell. Yeah, orbit. Same formula we start. Put n equal to 2. How many electron present in cells? 2 equal to 2 n square equal to 2 equal to 4 equal to 8. 8 electron present. K and L. and we now find number of electron present in subcells. You know subcells, how many types? There are many types of subcells in sub subcell. Subcell S, P, D, F, and n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4, and L is equal to azimuthal number 0, L equal to 1, L equal to 2, L equal to 3, and number of electron present in subcell. Subcell also known as we know that in subcell just 4 equal to L plus 2, first formula, and second formula 4n minus 2, and both formula we can be easy to obtain the number of electron present in the subcells S, P, D, E, F, and so on G. Firstly we can find the subcells S, number of electron present, n equal to 1, first method, and L equal to 0, how many electron you can find. Number of the electron easy to find. Subcell in S, number of electron present in subcell. First formula we can use 4 equal to L plus 2, we can easy to write plus 4 plus 2, and 4 equal to L is equal to 1, 0, S में 0, 0 put, and plus 2 is equal to 2, and same is equal to 4 minus 2 formula others, and we can put in the n is equal to 1, n is equal to 1, you can write 1 and bracket minus 2 is equal to 4 minus 2 equals to 2. Same formula will be different but answer will be same, you can find it. And you also find number of orbital present in subcells. Orbitals number of orbitals present in subcell is equal to S equal to yes, it mean how many orbitals it present. S P equal to 1 1 2 3, D S P D and 5 1 2 3 4 5, and simply you can pass. And it is also in form S subcells and P subcells and D subcell and F subcells and so on. It is founded by the formula methods is equal to 2L plus 1. Just example we can just say we find the S equal to L 0, and the formula is equal to 2L plus 1, and if we find with L 0 we can find of the S subcells how many orbital in present, that is found and put the value L equal to 0 plus 1, that is 1. we can prove that, and we can solve that how many orbital present in subcell is equal to 1, and that formula is same in all formula for 2 is equal to L plus 1 and 1. We can find how many electrons are present in how many electrons are present in orbitals. But it is simple formulas. And number of electrons present in orbital. You know, orbital is s equal to 1 orbitals, p equal to 3 orbitals, and d equal to 5 orbitals. That is formula you can pass. And with number of electrons present in orbitals is equal to n square. That means easy to find. S equal to n equal to 1. That is how many electrons present in orbitals is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 1. Formula. L equal to 0, and in formula same is equal to put the value L equal to 0 then 2L plus 1. The formula is equal to 2. So is equal to 0 plus 1. Mistakes is equal to 2 electrons, and in orbital we donated the electrons in the opposite spin anti-clockwise first and second. That you can see the anti-clockwise you can put it. We can also find the number of the orbitals present in orbit. You can know orbit is K, L, M, N, O, so on. That is found in K how many orbitals present. We can use it formula n square. n square you can just say that how many orbital present in orbit. That means put the n equal to 1, n equal to 1, n equal to 2 in numbers we say, and 3, n equal to 4, and similar say on previous in orbits n equal to 1. In the s k subs k cells in present in one orbit, and second formula is n L equal to n equal to 2, and it how many orbitals present is formula n squares is equal to 2 is equal to 2 is equal to 4 squares, and there is a L in present in the 4 orbital present, and we can easy to sort from the formulas. You can watch my the channels and subscribe and share too easy to understand orbitals in present, some concept of orbits and orbitals in methods.